Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Stop using ChatGPT like a simple chatbot. You're missing the biggest upgrade that can help you work much smarter. ChatGPT Work 5.6 is designed to do more than just answer questions. It remembers your projects, writes your documents, organizes your emails, and helps you complete tasks from start to finish. Let me show you how this powerful new feature works. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI productivity tips. To experience the full power of ChatGPT Work, we'll use the ChatGPT desktop app. You can download it directly from the official website. The link is available here. Now open the ChatGPT app. As you can see, we're already in ChatGPT Work, which is exactly what we need. Before asking ChatGPT to start working, let's adjust a few settings to make it more efficient. Go to the chat box. Here you can customize the model effort and response speed. I usually use this setting, medium effort and fast speed. It provides a good balance between quality and speed. Next, choose your approval settings. Approval means ChatGPT will ask for your permission before taking certain actions, instead of doing everything automatically. For safety, I recommend selecting Ask for Approval, so you always stay in control. Now let's test how powerful ChatGPT Work really is. I'll use a product launch project as an example. All project files are already organized inside a folder on my computer. This folder contains a project plan, meeting notes, task tracker, requirements document, and timeline. Normally, reviewing all these files would take a lot of time because there is a huge amount of information to read, compare, and organize. But with ChatGPT Work, it becomes much easier. Instead of uploading every file one by one, ChatGPT can work directly with the project folder on my computer. Now let's start the project. Go back and select Project here. Then click New Project and choose Use Existing Folder. Find the folder you want ChatGPT to work with and select it. That's it. ChatGPT is now connected to the entire project folder and can understand the files, context, and information inside. Now let's see what ChatGPT Work can do with this project. First, ChatGPT Work can help you create professional documents from your files and information. Simply ask it to create a stakeholder presentation based on your project files. ChatGPT Work turns project data into a complete PowerPoint with goals, updates, risks, and actions. It saves you the time of manually creating reports and presentations. Beyond creating documents, ChatGPT Work can also analyze your project data and turn it into useful insights. With a simple request, it turns your project data into a clear Excel dashboard with key metrics and visuals. It transforms raw data into actionable information instantly. Most importantly, ChatGPT Work can understand multiple files and connect information across your entire project. By asking it to review all project files and create a project status report, it creates a complete status report with progress, risks, challenges, and next steps. Instead of just answering questions, ChatGPT Work helps you complete real business workflows from start to finish. As you can see, ChatGPT Work is more than just a chatbot. It can become a powerful assistant that helps you manage projects, create documents, analyze data, and get work done more efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.